Hey everyone, welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make raw carrot cake. Now this is an excellent way to add some extra vegetables into your kids' diets without them even noticing. So I'm going to be making this recipe in two parts. So I've got the carrot cake base and then I've got a vanilla cashew cream icing. For the carrot cake base, what I have today is 1 cup of medjool dates, about a cup of walnuts, half a cup of shredded coconut, half a cup of dried apricots, half a cup of sultanas, and I've got some cinnamon, ginger and nutmeg. Got 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 3 medium-sized carrots, which I'm going to grate, and of course I've got the vanilla vegan Happy Way protein, which I'm going to add a scoop to the cake and also a scoop to the vanilla cashew cream icing. Now first I'm going to grate the carrots, then pop the carrot, coconut, walnuts, spices and protein powder into the blender and blend until well mixed. I'm going to add in the dates, apricots and coconut oil. Then once everything is blended nicely into a doughy consistency, I'll fold in the sultanas. And now I'm just going to place the mixture into a lined spring-formed cake tin. Now that the cake is done, I'm just going to make the icing. So in the icing, I have a cup of soaked cashews. I've had them soaking overnight. 1/3 of a cup of date syrup, about 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of warm water, half a teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and 1 scoop of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein. And now I'm going to blend it all together until everything's nice and smooth. And now it's time to ice the cake. So once I've iced the cake, I like to garnish it with some chopped walnuts, pepitas and chopped apricots. And now that it's all garnished, I'm going to pop it in the freezer to set for an hour. So the carrot cake's been setting in the freezer for an hour and now it's ready to eat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you have any other ideas of what you'd like me to make in the kitchen, please comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to us if you want to see more content from Happy Way.